Hey guys, this is Admiral radio, model 7010M. It's from the late 1940s, probably 1948, 1949, not sure. Cabinet's made of bakelite. I picked this one up a while ago. The power cord had been cut. It was completely shot. It was very dirty in the back, which it still kind of is, but anyways. So a couple of weeks ago I thought this was going to be a part set, but a couple of weeks ago I thought, well, why don't I, because someone had cut the power cord, why don't I attach a new plug to this and see what happens. So I was an idiot and I did that, and nothing happened. The tubes did glow, or two of them did anyways, but other than that there was no disaster. So after that I thought, well, why don't I try recapping it. It was really just to practice my soldering skills, because this is kind of a junky radio and not one of my favorites. So a couple of weeks ago, or actually this was yesterday, but yesterday I started recapping it. I replaced a couple of caps, first starting with the yellow one, and then this one here. And I replaced those two, and then I turned it on again. Nothing happened. Same, nothing. Then I thought, well, all the tubes seem to be heating up, except for this one. Don't ask how I tested that. So I replaced the tube that was here with a new one, and I tried it again, and this time I got a little tiny bit of sound, but still not a whole lot of activity. Then I replaced another capacitor in the audio section, and it seemed to make a lot of speaker noise, so that was good. And then this morning I was looking what could I do to better the sound or whatever, and I'm waiting on a order of caps because I don't have the right values to replace the rest, especially the electrolytics. I only have one left, and that's a piece of garbage. So I remembered the antenna for it had been cut off by the previous owner, so I just reattached it with an alligator clip, and I tried it out, and yeah, I got stations. Oops, I didn't plug it in. Brilliant. That's just temporary, by the way. I'm going to replace the power cord fully later. Okay. See the tubes start glowing there. And I believe that must be the audio tube. I'm not good with tubes, but I believe that must be, because nothing happens until that one heats up, and it takes a while. Now I think that one might be kind of bad as well, but not sure. That one's excellent. This one is brand new, so I don't know if you can hear the speaker sound. There's lots of background noise here.
Green Avenue Westmount has your boots and shoes. Bazaar, Olay, Ara, Sorel, and many more. Ladies 4 to 12, men 5 to 6.
So the 3 AM stations in my area come in pretty well, but only when the volume is turned completely up.
With all my heart, joining us to talk about her story about sexual abuse from childhood, but also on how to move forward in her life. So if you have a question or a comment, you could text.
I don't know if you can hear that, but so yeah, it's pretty cool bringing a radio back to life. Never done it before. I've recapped a couple of things, but they already worked, so kind of just a touch-up, really. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish the recap and changing the electrolytics, and then I'll make another video. Thanks for watching.